Organize your team by setting up proper permissions, logging their activities and all. Add a member to your team by inviting them to your workspace. To do that, go to Settings, App Settings, Team Members from the left menu. You can see I have couple of team members. If you want to invite one more, let's say I want to invite test and the date test.com, and the permission would be, let's say, lead manager. Click on save. This will send an email to this person so that he can join your workspace. In case you want to see the activities of the existing user or tweak permissions, you can go over here. You can see the devices where this user is logged in. You can see the roles. You can configure the permissions, like on which channel this user has access to, which funnel user has access to, and who is the team members for this user. Along with that, you can perform the actions. For example, if you want to block this user, you can just simply click on block.